No, we've not started discussing this. If the House acts, I think the place to start would take a look at what the agreement was 20 years ago as a starting place and discuss how we may be able to agree to handle the process. After that, it's largely out of our hands, in the hands of the Chief Justice who presides over it, who rules on motions. And how long it goes on really just depends on how long the Senate wants to spend on it. I will say I'm pretty sure how it's likely to end. If it were today, I don't think there's any question it would not lead to a removal.
Sir, on to the mark. There we go. All right.
My own view is that whistleblowers, particularly those that are blowing whistles on action within the government, should be allowed to remain confidential, that they have a right to be private, and then the determination is made is what the whistleblower spoken about, something which is confirmed by the facts or not. So going after the whistleblower, I think, is misdirected. I'm not going to be giving advice to the House or to the individuals in the House that will be presenting a case if they decide to go forward with articles of impeachment, nor to the President's Counsel. I'll let them decide what they think is right. But I do think with regards to a whistleblower, they blow the whistle, then other people have to look in and capture the facts and then present those facts to the individuals that will make a final determination.
One of your colleagues is calling for the whistleblower's name to be made public.
Yeah, me too. Well, the whistleblower statute was never meant to give you anonymity. It was meant to allow you to come forward without being fired. You can't use anonymity in a criminal process. You can't use anonymity in a civil process, and you shouldn't be able to. This is a misuse of the statute. We need to know who this person is, because without the complaint, there would be no impeachment inquiry.
Mr. President does know who it is, at least according to what he's saying, but to call out in a rally for a fellow senator to say, do your job, name him, is that responsible?
Yeah, I think it's very responsible. I think it's irresponsible to allow an impeachment process to be generated based on an anonymous source.
Senator, it's been superseded by first-hand testimony.
No, it hasn't.
Why not?
Well, you don't know. You tell me. Who is the person? Do they have any connection with the first-hand testimony? We're talking about a phone call here. I've read the transcript. I've made up my own mind about the phone call. But the whole idea that you would use an anonymous person to generate an impeachment inquiry is dangerous to the presidency itself. And the whistleblower statute was never designed for a situation like this. You couldn't prosecute somebody based on a whistleblower complaint because every defendant has the right to confront their accuser. Nor should you be able to impeach any president of the United States, Republican or Democrat, based on an anonymous allegation.
Should House Republicans call Adam Schiff to testify in these open hearings?
You know, that's up to them. If he's a fact witness, did he interact with a whistleblower? That'd be the one thing you'd want to know. Did the whistleblower go to Adam Schiff before he filed a complaint? Did Adam Schiff help him prepare the complaint? If that's the case, then there's a conflict for Adam Schiff.
Thank you.
I've written the whole process off. I'm written him off. I think this is a bunch of BS. I gave Mueller the space to do his job because I trusted Mueller to be fair. Mueller had credibility in my eyes. These people don't. I think this is a sham process. I think the substance is not worthy of an impeachment discussion. Read the phone call for yourself. I don't care what anybody else says about the phone call. The phone call, I've made up my own mind, is fine. So, thanks.